What is up YouTube? Carly here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, we're going to talk about how you can get an Off-White Jordan 1 UNC at retail here in the Philippines. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are giving away a bunch of hyper laces as well as REMS cleaning solution the moment we hit 20,000 subscribers. Subscribe now. Follow me on Instagram. Off-White, Virgil Abloh, Jordan 1 UNC. Can be bought at retail at around 9,000 something pesos here in the Philippines. How? You have to join a raffle to purchase promo going on at Titan at the Fort. Now you're probably thinking, wait, I have to join a raffle just to be able to purchase? I don't get to win it for free? The answer is yes. Why? Because of supply and demand. There are only limited pairs, and if you are lucky to be able to purchase a pair, the value of that sneaker that you have automatically goes up like 3-4x because of the the supply demand issue. For example, sells for around 9,000 something pesos if you win the raffle. Right now, if you go over to StockX, it's selling for $637 or a little over 30,000 pesos. So you win the raffle, you get the shoe, and then the shoe that you paid 9,000 something pesos for is instantly worth 30,000. How to join the raffle? Let's get to it. There are two raffles that are actually happening, and I'll go through each one at a time. The first one is an open raffle to everyone and anyone who can make their way over to Titan at the Fort. All you have to do is go in with your phone, you scan the website link via QR code, and then you need to input like a changing password to the site, which is shown in one of the walls over at the store. So the password changes every now and then, so you need to be able to input the right password at the right time, which you can find only at the store. Then you have to go through the entire process of putting in your name, your birthday, your phone number, your email address, and by the way, you guys need to bring a valid government ID. Driver's license, passport, whatever it is, you need a government valid ID because you will have to upload it when you are filling out the form. Now, you have until Friday, I think if I'm not mistaken, 20 to 22, to be able to drop by Titan and then fill up the free form for you to be able to join. Winners will be notified come June 22. That's the first part, or the first pot or first pool. There is a second pool which Titan is calling the Prometheus or premium pool, wherein all you have to do is actually buy a pair, a Nike or a Jordan pair over at Titan at the Fort, and then you get put into a separate premium raffle. So again, let me make that clear. There are two raffles going. There's a free raffle which you can join, and then there is you have to buy something, then you get a raffle stub kind of thing. You have to buy a shoe, and then you get a chance to win on either. But if you win in one, you automatically lose your chance, so you can't win on two. But you increase your chances of winning by joining both raffles. And I'm thinking obviously that the number of people who will join the pay to join raffle, the Prometheus part, will not be that much. So your chances of winning is actually higher if you decide to buy a sneaker. To the Filipinos watching the video, I'll say this in Tagalog para mas madaling intindihan. Dalawa po raffle natin. May isa tayong raffle na para libre. Kailangan nyo lang pumunta sa Titan, gamitin nyo yung QR code, mag-input kayo ng website, lagay nyo yung password, pasok kayo. Yung raffle na yun para sa lahat ng mga pumasok na libre. Yung pangalawang raffle, kailangan nyo bumili ng sapatos. Pag bumili kayo ng sapatos, pasok kayo sa separate raffle. So dalawa yung chance to win ninyo. Yung libre, kung sumali kayo, tas pwede rin kayo manalo doon sa raffle na may bayad. Pero doon sa may bayad, feeling ko lang, dahil mas konti ang bibili ng sapatos, mas konti yung sasali. So mas malaki po yung chance nating manalo doon sa pangalawang raffle. So kung ako kayo, pwede nyo gawin, kung may budget po kayo, or kung bibili naman talaga kayo ng sapatos, sumali kayo sa pareho. Mas mataas yung chance ninyo manalo ng Jordan 1 Off-White UNC. Back to English. And that's exactly what I ended up doing. And this was really, really awesome because this pair that I saw on display has been something that I've been wanting to buy ever since I first saw it on display over at Titan, over online. Not on display, but when it was teased. This is in the box. I'll do a quick unboxing, but please do wait for the full review of the sneaker because it's one of the fieriest sneakers I've seen so far for the year. This is the Air Force 270 Olympic, and it is ridiculously sick. I mean, seriously guys, look at that colorway. Wow, The dark blue with the red, the suede material, that giant 270 air unit here at the back, the dark blue, that gold popping out. This is a really sick shoe. And you also have that paint splatter thing going on along the sides. This one I copped for a little over 7,000. It actually sells for 8,000 pesos, but if you have, or if you are a member of Titan, you get a discount. So I got this for around 7,200 pesos. So what did I do? I bought this pair, entered the paid raffle for the Jordan 1 Off-White UNC, and then I also did the free raffle and filled up the form, scanned the code, all that stuff. Now I am like you guys who are joining, will be waiting for the results on Friday. I have never won a Titan raffle in my entire life. Zero zilch. And I've almost lost hope. I don't know, but I've never won. Maybe my luck is just really bad and really sour. But I'm hoping that maybe I get lucky this time around. Hoping to be able to get that big W over for this. Well, not for this shoe, but for the Jordan Off-White 1 UNC. Now, that's actually it for this video. I hope you guys found it informative, educational, and helpful. And to those who are joining the raffle, may the odds forever be in your favor. That's it for now. God bless. Peace.